morning, students. Hope you are all doing great and happy Saturday. I am uploading this video very lately, but please forgive me for my tardiness. So today we are going to learn. Actually, we are not going to learn anything. We are going to we are going to have a common basic dialogues, and I am going to teach you. The last time I teach you a simple creating sentences and passive voice, active voice, tenses, everything. It's like you are going in a grammar book. But today we are going to do the basic needs. Like if you are talking to somebody, you are not going to say a sentence like in active or in passive voice. You are going to say it directly. Like if I say, go switch on the light, you are not saying anything, go switch on the light. So you can see there's no tenses or there's nothing like I said my students to go switch on the light. I just simply use the word go switch on the light to a person. Like this we are going to create dialogues. So today we are going to create some dialogues, like about 30 types of dialogues I'm going to teach you. So let's get started. So the first dialogue is, wait, I'm sorry that I'm using a phone, but please forgive me. Go yourself. Be ready. Light the lamp. Switch on the light. Put out the lamp. Switch off the light. Switch on the fan. Send for him. Let these people do their work. Wash your hands. Come soon. Stop the car. Go back. Don't delay. Do not write with a pencil. Write with a pen. Do not ape others. Hire a taxi. Button up the coat. Keep the fire on. Fill the house with grass. Go and blow your nose. Do not fail to inform me. Lace your shoes properly, tightly. Do not study at the cost of your health. Write a detailed letter. Do not do so in future. Post this letter yourself. Be punctual. Do not beat about the bush. Do not pluck flowers. Give up bad habits. Chew your food well. Brush your teeth. Don't chatter. Put everything in order. Write in ink. Do not be silly. Entertain the guest. Mind your own business. Hold on with your both hands. Lay down your life in the service of the motherhood. Do not hold up the work. Be careful against bad habits. Don't approach that tree. Do read this interesting story. So you can see in this type of sentences, these are dialogues. I can't say it's sentences because you're not going to write it down. You are going to speak it. Like in writing, the words are, we have to think about tenses, prepositions, then all kind of grammatical rules we have to follow. But then when we're talking to someone, we are not using any tenses or any rules. We are just saying what is capable. Like you have seen, there are many type of work that has metaphor or synonyms. So today we did this kind of sentences, and I'm going to give you some homework, and please do it within next class Thursday. Okay, thank you.